Back in 2014, it was difficult to imagine that a full-fledged testing and certification center of the breakthrough transport technology by Unitsky String Technologies would be created from an ordinary tank training ground. Thanks to the engineering idea of the general designer Anatoly Unitsky, in 8 years it was created what the largest modern corporations of the 21st century are not capable of. Early on, he and a small group of supporters began work on transforming the tank range into the Eco-Techno Park, a testing and demonstration center for UST technology in Belarus. In 2015, the international social venture ecosystem Skyworld Community, specializing in financing green technologies, joined to support the project. It allowed to speed up the uninterrupted financing of the project. Already in the year 2016, the first tests of a full-fledged unibike transport module were carried out on a light track in the Eco-Techno Park. Those who did not believe in the existence of innovative transport could personally dispel their doubts by visiting a showcase eco-festival in Belarus. In the same year, UST Inc. breaks into a major transport race, where the company presents itself at the world-famous transport exhibition InnoTrans 2016 in Berlin. These are more than 2,500 companies from 60 countries, 140 world premieres, 300 innovations, about 130 pieces of equipment on an open area with a total area of 220,000 square meters. The UST technology has attracted a lot of interest and has become a focal point for big business, government delegations, and tens of thousands of people from all over the world. Since then, interest in the technology has grown sharply. It was massively picked up by foreign media. The number of delegations visiting Eco-Techno Park has increased to several dozens per year. The number of printed and online publications covering the technology has grown to thousands. In 2017, intensive testing of urban and freight tracks began. There was uninterrupted certification of the transport structure and its individual elements. The company met the most stringent requirements and quality standards, after which it confidently entered the international market. Construction of the innovative U-Sky Testing Center in the United Arab Emirates in Sharjah began. Despite the severity of the pandemic, with thousands of companies worldwide going bankrupt, closing down and withdrawing from the market, UST Inc. has once again proved its ability to withstand any global crisis and difficulties, strengthening its position on the international stage. In 2019, the first transportation of passengers on a light track was demonstrated. In 2020, active certification began in the UAE. Literally a year later, contracts were announced for 4 targeted projects. In 2022, the final stages of testing freight tracks began. And there is no doubt that in the near future, we will see freight transport in action, causing great interest among potential customers and large businesses from all over the world. Thanks to steadily raised funding and support of partners from all over the world, the strong human resource potential of UST Inc., and a sound management approach, today the company has 86 design offices, 36 buildings and facilities, more than 3,000 units of machines and equipment, as well as 36 hectares of demonstration and certification center, and 6 full-fledged transport complexes, including passenger and freight tracks, anchor supports, transfer stations, demonstrating the potential of UST transport and infrastructure complexes, annual financial reporting, legal clarity, transparency of the company, its ability to withstand global crises, and the targeted nature of the funding it attracts are all clear guarantees of success on the international stage. 14 stages of the company's development have been passed. Ahead is the final 15th stage, upon completion of which the company will demonstrate high-speed transport and remove all questions once and for all, eliminate doubts about its competitiveness, and demonstrate its financial potential. You can still become a co-owner of UST Innovative Transport Solutions by obtaining portions in the company before it enters the international market. Join a reliable, steadily growing 21st century project and secure your financial future with Unitsky String Technologies Inc.